Gold is dropping down, which is fine with me. So really quick, let's just go on a bigger time frame and take a deeper look at this. So yeah, I want to hit this strong support resistance level here at around 1682, 1683. You can clearly see every time price hit this level, harsh rejection down, harsh rejection down. So we could potentially see a harsh rejection down, but do keep in mind when price hit this daily zone right here, we have seen price after rejection down. Well, besides this one here, but when we see this rejection, price shot up, shot up, shot up, then harsh rejection down. Then when price hit this level, rejected, shot up, then the harsh rejection down. So we'd like to see it shoot up, possibly look for another buy setup, especially since we have these huge green imbalances on the 4 hour. So we'd like to see a buy setup either for a scalp or, be bullish for the day. Just depends what it looks like. But as of now, I am targeting a buy setup. So still patiently waiting for price to retrace. What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Playmaker Way with the playbook. And y'all read the title, man. We caught 5,000 pips trading gold. 5,000 pips in one day. You saw the clip before this where I was breaking down the live stream, waiting for price to patiently retrace back down. Okay, that was around this time. And you see price came retraced. As soon as it touched that level, what happened? That thing exploded. Not a coincidence. This is why I teach my members and my students to, one, identify these levels, and two, to strictly trade off these levels. Because just look at that. As soon as it touched it, its full trade was a 1 to 9, almost 1 to 10 risk to reward. That means if I was risking $50, I made $450. A great risk reward trade. Huge payout. This was a members only trade, but I did break it down and went over the prices on the live stream. I live stream Monday through Friday London session, and I do exclusive New York live stream sessions strictly for the members and students. Also, make sure to click that free Telegram link, first link in the description. Get notified when I enter trades. And let's break down this trade. The thing I want to point out though before we begin is with this strategy, we're able to catch the entire direction price is going for the day. As you can see, this is the daily time frame, and we literally caught that rejection went down and the entire candlestick up. Let me explain why I waited for price to come to that level and why I wanted to enter off that level. As we can see here, once I highlight this line, we can clearly see how this is a strong support and resistance level. We see on the daily time frame how price constantly respected this level, and then when it broke underneath, we see how price constantly rejected this level, hence all these wicks. If you don't understand how to read candlesticks, you definitely need to know how to do so, especially if you're going to be trading. I do have a video that I explain how to do so in less than 7 minutes. I'm going to put that in the video somewhere. Make sure to check that out. But let's get into it. So before you enter any trade, you need to do a few things. One, you need to go on the bigger time frame, the daily time frame at least, and identify the trend. If you don't know how to identify the trend, I also have a video on my YouTube channel explaining with an example how to identify a trend and the signs to look for when the trend is potentially going to change. So we see price here was in a downtrend. Then when it hit this level, which is a key support resistance level, when we zoom out, it rejected and came back up to another key support resistance level right here. Then once price hit that, we see a clear downtrend back down. Then it started to respect the strong support resistance level here that we can see right here. As we can see right here, when price broke down, not one time did it reject it. It rejected 2 times, 3 times, hit this level again, then shot back up. So just going on strictly price action, direction price is going, we can't really say it's an uptrend or downtrend, but what we can say is that it broke above a very strong support resistance level. And yesterday on the daily time frame, this red candlestick here, you can see how price hit this level and shot back up as well. So we do not control the markets, which is why it's very important to trade off these levels and identify the direction price is going on the bigger time frames. That way when you enter a trade, the trade's most likely going to go in your favor. Based off what price did 2 days ago, it was safe to assume that price was going to go up again. So if everything's showing me buys, I'm only going to look for buys. Everything's showing me sells, I'm only going to look for sells. So I just patiently waited, like I said in the live stream, for price to come to this level. Then once price came to that level, I identified the TPs, which are, again, these key levels where price will constantly respect or reject. we can clearly see price here respecting rejecting this level as a key support resistance level here. And if we keep going to the left, we can also see price multiple times. This is all the way in September, like 3 months ago, doing the same thing. And if we keep scrolling, we'll see price in July do the same thing, right? So that's why we trade out these levels, because price is always repeating itself and we do not control the markets. So we need to know what price is going to do at all times. That's how you make money in these markets, knowing what price is going to do. So at the price at that level, played around a little bit, hit a few TPs. Then once New York session started to come in, that thing just exploded up, just ripped up. And we just rode the wave. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down any questions, comments, concerns down below. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. It's linked below, same spelling as the YouTube channel. Make sure to join that free Telegram if you're interested in learning how to identify these levels and trade like this and catch these 5,000 pip moves and catch the daily candlesticks and determine the direction. Not only price is going to go for a few hours, but the day. Click them links down below as well. I also do one-on-one mentorships, or if you just want to get notified every time I personally enter a trade and take the trades with me, click the links in the description. See you on the next video.